guys, welcome to today's video. So today I'll be showing you how to replace the 99 2004 front steering bushings. Now I had to replace mine because mine were worn, and yeah, this eliminates play on the car, so your steering won't have play, so yeah, it'll feel a lot better. And yeah, it's a very inexpensive mod to do, and the factory ones just with these cars, after being so old, you know, they get worn. It's not good. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more. Thank you. Alright guys, here, let's try to get it to focus. Here's the steering bushings, and I don't know if you can see here. Let me see if I can put my flashlight. I'm gonna make it a little brighter for you guys. Okay, do you see the rubber here? It's torn down, and there's actually part on the bottom that's missing. And if I don't know if you know, you can see there it's bent. The metal is bent. It shouldn't be like that. It should be straight. So I'll be removing this one, and even in here you can see that it's the metal is pretty straight. It's not as bad then as it is right here. So yeah, it's making some noise, so I'll be replacing that, and hopefully that noise will go away. Alright guys, so check this out. I got both of the steering bushes out. This is the front one. Look how terrible condition. It was missing this part, and look at these cracks. Terrible, really bad condition. And this is the other one. This is the one on the back. And I want to show you how to do this job, because I know some of you might have questions. So I got the first one out. Right. So still gotta clean it. My bad. Still gotta clean this part. Gotta clean all of this, but this one still undone, as you can see. And the first thing that you're gonna need is this WD-40. And what this is gonna do, it is gonna allow you to actually remove that. Alright guys, so we're going, first things first, we're gonna put some WD-40 on this thing. My WD-40 is stripping for some reason, especially when you're gonna work on rusty pieces, rusty bolts, rusty nuts. Now what I'm gonna do is get this 15, put it on the back, and then we got the 18 on the front. Well, first things first, I'm sorry, we have to loosen this up, loosen it up. And this is gonna be an 18. We gotta get this loosened up. Now for this, I'm gonna have to use, for this I'm gonna have to use my foot. First an 18 just to get it loose. Oh man, I think we got it. Oh. Yep, we loosen it up. So now what you want to do is you want to get the ratchet but the 15 up front, I mean on the back, and
Yeah, the 18 on the front. Let's see. So now you hold the one on the back with the 15. Now this side seems to be in way better condition than the other one. Alright guys, so now that we got the we have the long bolt out, we gotta get this bad boys, the old rubbers, we gotta get them out. Yep. I'm gonna put the camera here so you guys can see it. What am I using? I'm just using a regular plier. It's very good. See that? Yeah, that's bad. No, use your hand. This one is not that's in bad shape as the other one was. The first one, oh my goodness, that one was bad. This one is not that bad. Still. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh shit. So now, see this bad boy? You have to take him out. This one was simple. It's a regular plier. This one indeed is a regular plier. Yeah. Yes. Yank it. I struggle a little bit with it at first, but it'll come out. See, it's coming out. There you go. We got him out. Look how rusty it is inside. I don't know if you guys can see it. Look at that. It's full of rust. So I'm gonna show you the next step. Now all you have to do is basically move the rag and pinion a little bit forward and try to get that. This is might be the most intimidating part, but honestly it's not that bad. Try to get a hammer. Yes. Move it from the back. There you go. See, it's not gonna give you that much clearance, but You have enough clearance to get it out. This one is not in such a bad shape, but yeah, man, trust me. Alright guys, something that I think is very important to do is make sure that we clean this area just so we can get out some of the old rubber material. So with the metal brush, just get it in and try to remove any material. Like this part came from that. You can see it. This goes inside of there. So just make sure you clean that. It's very important. We need to grease these up from the inside and from the outside. I am using just regular grease from the Vans outer parts. I believe this works just fine, but you might think differently, but this is what I use. And well, so have a little bit of grease from the outside. Put some. This is gonna help with friction. Now, I like to put the one on the back first. So you get underneath. You gotta lift the bracket pinion, and you gotta come from the back and slide it forward. There you go. Make sure you get it lined correctly. Boom. That's right on it. Alright guys, now we gotta put this. The bolt goes inside. Big, it's about 6-inch cylinder. And I like to put a little bit of grease outside just to help it. It's just for duration. You're gonna notice that you need to align it. So you put it in here and it's gonna stop right here. So you gotta lift it up and it's gotta go through the hole. Doesn't go through. Just nice and flat. And now to install it again, let's do the same process, but the inverse. Make sure, don't forget that this is your washer, ring, whatever. Don't forget it. And yeah, hold it back. You'll do like this. boys and girls. And that's how you do it. So, steering bushings, brand new. See if I can get the light. Brand new steering bushings. Steering bushings, brand new. Yeah, see my tools over there. Awesome.